Back in 2020, a 22-year-old college dropout named Ryan began with nothing, literally $0. Today, he makes over $100,000 a year from 3 online income streams. No inheritance, no tech job, just the right steps, the right timing, and relentless consistency. This isn't a fairy tale, it's a roadmap. And today, you'll see the exact step-by-step strategy to go from $0 to $100,000 in 2025, even if you're starting with nothing but internet access and ambition. Step 1. Build a high-income skill. Month 1 to 3. The first step isn't a side hustle or business idea. It's learning how to sell a skill that the market wants. High-income skills are your launchpad. Think copywriting, video editing, coding, or digital marketing. These are skills that businesses need and are willing to pay top dollar for. Spend 1 to 2 hours a day learning via free YouTube channels or affordable platforms like Skillshare and Coursera. Ryan started with video editing using free DaVinci Resolve tutorials on YouTube. Within 3 months, he was charging $300 per video. Step 2. Start freelancing, month 3 to 5. Stock footage of Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn gigs. Once you've developed a basic command of your skill, start freelancing. Don't wait until you're perfect. Start small and build your portfolio. Set up profiles on Upwork and Fiverr. Offer services at competitive rates with fast delivery. Your goal here is reputation, not revenue, at least at the start. Each 5-star review becomes a stepping stone toward charging premium rates. Ryan's first gig on Upwork paid $30. 2 months later, he was earning $1,200 a week. Step 3. Use your skill to build a scalable side hustle, month 5 to 8. Now that you're making money with a skill, scale it smartly. Use that skill to either start a YouTube automation channel, if you're a scriptwriter or editor, run Facebook ads for local businesses, if you're into digital marketing, build Shopify stores for others, if you know e-commerce. Ryan used his editing skills to start a YouTube faceless channel. He reinvested his earnings into automation, hired a voiceover artist, and scaled his channel to 100K monthly views within 4 months. Step 4. Build an emergency fund, month 6 to 9. As your income rises, don't get reckless. The next step is financial defense. Build a $3,000 to $5,000 emergency fund. Use apps like YNAB. You need a budget or Mint to track expenses. Automate savings. This buffer protects you from panic selling assets or pausing your business during slow months. Step 5. Create a content engine, month 6 to 12. Millionaires are being made right now from one thing: attention. Once you're earning and saving, build a personal brand. Start posting about your journey, your skill, or your side hustle on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Share what you're learning. Your content becomes your resume, your marketing funnel, and your reputation. Ryan's short videos about his YouTube channel attracted freelance clients, partnerships, and over 20,000 followers without spending a cent on ads. Step 6. Invest every dollar you don't need, month 9 to 12. You're making more. You're saving more. Now it's time to grow it. Start with low-risk assets like index funds, e.g. S&P 500 ETFs. Use platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Aim to invest at least 20 to 30% of what you earn. If you're younger and more risk-tolerant, allocate a small portion to growth stocks or crypto. But never invest money you can't afford to lose. Even with modest returns, investing $1,000 per month can grow to over $15,000 in a year. That's not just money, it's momentum. Step 7. Build a digital product or service, month 10 to 14. Now we shift from active income to leveraged income. Package your knowledge into something that sells itself: a Notion template, an ebook, an online course. Ryan created a simple PDF guide on how to start a faceless YouTube channel. He sold it for $15, and it made over $6,000 in 3 months. All passively. You already know something that others are willing to pay for. You don't need to be a guru. Just be one step ahead. Step 8. Optimize, not overload, month 12 to 18. By now you're juggling a lot. The key isn't to do more, it's to optimize. Use automation tools like Zapier, Notion, or Trello to streamline your workflow. Delegate low-impact tasks. Focus only on what scales: creating, selling, and strategizing. Ryan automated his content repurposing, hired a virtual assistant, and gained back 15 hours a week to focus on strategy and growth. Step 9. Build long-term assets. Month 18 to 24. Income is good. Assets are better. Build things that work for you while you sleep. A monetized YouTube channel, an email list of buyers, a niche blog, a small real estate investment. These are assets that generate revenue over time. Focus on building digital or tangible properties that grow even when you're not hustling. Step 10. Reinvest and repeat. Month 24 plus. The final step? Reinvest what you earn into what works. Double down on your strengths, improve your best products, upgrade your best systems. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Ryan now invests 50% of his income back into his content team, advertising, and new asset creation. That's how you go from $100,000 to $500,000. It starts now. From $0 to $100,000 isn't a dream. It's a process. One step at a time, one skill at a time. The only thing missing now is your commitment.